I'll now explain the difference between devices and assets and how they work together in Propitect. Devices are the physical hardware connected to Propitect. Typically, this is a MATelec ME-Link module or a MATelec InterLINX device included inside your control panel in the field. These devices track inputs and outputs from controllers like pump and motor controllers. Back in Propitect, the Devices tab lists all the devices that are assigned to your organisation. New devices added to your organisation will automatically appear here. Next, we can create an asset. An asset is a digital representation of the physical device, allowing you to customise settings, track data, and gain insights. For example, an InterLINX module might be the device, while the asset could be a hot water recirculation system in a hotel basement. By linking the device to the asset, you can manage and monitor it remotely. In the next video, we'll show you how to create an asset in Propitect, step by step.